How you feed them?
No, that's not corner.
You want to put in a plate and use one spoon and fork?
I want to go try it on the top.
So how you feed them and them feed themselves?
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are here at Mas Nevie's, so we just entering. Trust that everyone is doing well. It has been a little while. Mas Nevie! What happened to you? You don't have no gas?
How we are deal with? How we are deal with so?
I can't tell you deal with the rough man. Man.
How we deal with the rough? Busy man.
Oh.
You couldn't just come back to ask you what one man. Eh?
Mas Nevie, I cook a quarrel with you this morning. Yeah, I make you do it so. You want to say we turn back?
You know?
Marcel. You go turn back, Mas Nevie.
Me say around 3 weeks now, me say go and say beg a little gas.
I know 3 weeks, man.
Oh God.
I know 3 weeks, Mas Nevie.
Man, me I say that it look like say boy me must
I think I last
a week before last one.
before last. Mas Nevie, we busy. Remember say how we want. You want to come help we?
Hey, me good man, you know say me like it, man.
So when we come now, you're not for quarrel with you, you're not for glad to see.
A little rice me I cook so.
You cook rice?
Yes, no.
So you cook enough, make we get some.
You're going to Mas Nevie pot.
Mackerel?
As I want, not knowing the how I want, that's how you have in the farm with your meals.
Oh, you mix it and do a one pot?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to go call Ziggy for carry one gas for your Mas Nevie.
Oh, God. I tell some miss, you run a part and see the right now, see, me can give them. So, you know, see, you put them.
Cap in then.
See them also? See right there. You know, see they put them on.
Also, Mas Nevie put
Yeah, 2 minutes.
So I can't manage this as smoke. That's what I fight.
We'll have to do that.
Jesus.
But me never want to come on, but
Cook because we're not getting gas yet.
yes, sir.
We'll call Ziggy.
I say the smoke
come out.
the smoke nothing good for me.
Oh boy.
Blaze up a fire for you, man.
Funny, it's one thing they can take funny.
Keep one long. One out.
Oh, God.
Hush, man. Hush.
Oh, you know, done that the one half.
Hush, man. Hush.
You're funny for Marcel. Up here smoke. They would want to push up under the fire somewhere. No, sir.
Me I say the...
Hi, morning.
Yes,
Cause you see all on all fours I blow up on the fire. I blow underneath the fire.
I love man too much. Galang
Yeah, man. Hey, man, I can't see what dinner here.
Look, oh, mom. I'm going to pass in the back of the house yet, you know. Then I'll go pass every man and in the house and make him come out to call for every day. Call you come short midday. You never come every man you pass, you can't go in the back of the house yet. All right.
So them ask me have Mas Nevie smoke up here.
Yes,
You have to go through them with them Mas Nevie. Smoke too much.
yes, sir.
Can't see gas do. No, we don't get the fire to blaze.
Whoa, let me phone Marcel.
And you know, up there, you know, just
gone. Me call down a Miss Bev. Whoa, Boy, enough fun at all.
Ah, so good.
How you put in a fire make that smoke, so?
Boy,
Make a watch it down here, sir.
no, leave it. Can you not have to cook? It look like you want to catch in a word. It just not make yet.
Hold on, Sunny.
A mosquito time around, man.
Take some of my day one, sir.
Come is bit free. How can I guess my Nevie have again? Round head?
Yeah.
No, man, something wrong with the fire, Mr. Nevie.
But all of this stick them catch, so why not? Ooh.
Hold on, man. I've got chip to support. I'll do the machine.
Boy. Ooh.
It's a fire.
Boy.
A blank out of the eye.
Go on. I call the whole day yesterday and I get you. You have delivery down there, bike delivery. 30 pounds gas up a mass Nevie.
Right now.
Yeah, up a Miggle, up a pass, pass Miss Buckle and come round. Right a red man, yes sir. Very red man.
This him say round head?
The round head.
Oh yeah, finally. Boy.
Yes.
A fire house is.
Man.
Fire don't have to buy gas, so I'm not blazing.
Why you man drop off? You want something for live late?
Balance it.
A food, you want thing that you live late.
You got the food now in there already. You want a piece of sticker.
Me I say,
I open up the rice.
me I say, you no dash me away. Me I say, look like say, no dash me away. Jesus,
That's the way, man.
Jesus, God, me I say.
That you come to do now.
That's him, no, that's him way.
Oh,
You
God.
gotta take out all of them now. Oh Lord.
That's one drill, you know.
Uh-oh. This one.
Carry.
Alright. Watch it, you turn on.
Hello, Mass Nevie.
Boy. So guys, we come to the holy part things that happen. Mass Nevie cuss me out. Mass Nevie blaze fire for the veranda. Because the gas done. So in a moment hopefully we'll get the gas from Mass Nevie. So the plan today is to put on the capping.
Oh, God.
And to tear down the old building inside, install the windows and the doors. It's a lot today, Marcel. It's a lot today. The capping, the door, the window. Yeah. What? Mass Nevie, so we're dashing away, guys, but busy. You have to run, you know, that we cover down it. Shot one. How much would they get? No 3? A 2?
They want 3.
We're going to make you a piece of zinc so till if it's alright, you're not trouble it. Water coming from your papa net?
No, sir. The water not coming, but it's tap hot. Heat.
See there you have more fire, more what now, see there?
Yeah.
You have to go put one cow head there.
Dude. Hey, that man. Now I get no leaking water up there too. I'm near the pressure hot. I will when the heat come upon me, I'm in a week, I say, boy, if me could have come out of do, me have to come out of do.
Oh, in the hot?
Oh, maybe because you have a double thing. No?
Yes, he hot, that's me. I mean, it hot, me coming like to me go mad.
You never mad though?
No, sir, I say, boy, I have to come to come sit down.
So what your shoes are you wear?
I mean, shoes, them match up, you know, sister.
Then see your bed slippers are, they cannot put on this one.
I me have put on, but 2 minutes, you know, say. It makes me go there, so. I don't like when they sit for me. So me used to it, you know. Me all the way me used to take off, but if I go to do now, you know.
Oh.
So who make up the fireside for you?
I mean, make up, sir. All Sunday gone, all your Sunday gone, and me. I just make for me couldn't get the gas, I just make up here a cook. I go pick up people would say that if it rain fall, I can't get to boil the tea. I boil tea already, you know.
Yeah. Since morning?
Yes, man.
Oh, so what is now? Lunch?
Yes, man. No, me say me look up me done with this. Watch out for you, me I get to walk it for more one time. Me say I cook and put it down. Me I cook and put it down for me no want me come for more one time. You know when the fire make it already.
Lord, if you draw some stick from under it.
Where fuck we have the man?
It's one spoon this was, sir.
A spoon you might use.
A fuck.
One fork in the bucket. Officer Zelly used to cheat me. Up to when I can say that Officer Zelly used to come and ask all me pot. I know what happened. I can see that, you know. So I don't know what happened.
We are say.
For Mr. Zelly come and the pot to me and they say they know me can't see him again.
You can't see me, come on, you can't see me.
Then Mas Nevie about 3 weeks ago we see you.
Around upon last
I look
month.
like you want to see me every day.
Not every day. One last month, you see no.
Then last month, remember this is one short month. You not done yet. So we come today.
I tell you, man.
Always spend half our time at Kosui. You go for a car, Marcel? Bring, Marcel, bring your stuff.
Oh, you're blessed, man.
Yes, man. Yes, sir. That make life about the heat.
You saying it hot?
Inside, yes, man. Yes, sir.
So we have grocery for you, from
yes, man.
Donor, we don't want our name to call.
Yes, sir. You know, say, I'm glad for it. I wouldn't tell you. God always provide for me. Say me now, so man. He always tell me, say me not satisfied with me have. So that me I do. Me now, yeah. For me, I say, so me cook your rice.
I'm drinking water?
No, sir, but me have to say me no want to drink water with this. I'm pretty for boy.
Thirsty?
Me not thirsty.
But you can't drink water?
Yes, man.
So see, I have one case of water, Mas Nevie.
Man, I hit me one.
Water?
For me, say me, yes, sir. For me, say me no want to drink water with them. Make it open for me. Make it open for me. I thought when you used to treat me so good, man, I'm not soon, man.
It's the time, Mas Nevie. Busy.
Yes, ma'am. So you know go to Miss Bev?
Miss Bev?
Yeah.
When? Before now?
No, me. If you never call up, no, I know me.
Oh no, we are sorted out.
Yes, ma'am.
I ask what to guess? Next time out there? What am I bring?
Yeah.
The pot a bubble, but smoke still have. But Mas Nevie, you get used to the smoke, man.
Me used to it, man. Oh, me I go do.
Drill. Vamos a slowly.
After you are so much. Oh gosh, man.
To pull on these. Marcel, remember Mas Nevie have one hammer, you know?
Yo, sir.
Mas Nevie not name hammer.
So where did have where the handle bend? I did that.
I no get it back.
You may not mercy and not get it back yet.
Yes, sir. if you want,
watch it, hold him down.
Mas Nevie, hold on, Marcel, make Mas Nevie move.
Me got to quit.
And we take and the box. Wait the Mas Nevie, make me move the box for you. Not pushing it. Boy.
Make it back, Steve. You find somewhere go.
Alright.
So thanks to our anonymous donor for sending groceries from Mas Nevie.
God bless me, man.
Yes.
Thanks can't help.
Yes,
God
man.
bless me bit better. But when you blessed by God, everything good. I say, we must come back. For God, so we know how make me not so know.
Hold on.
We buy gas, we have to cut them here.
Yes, sir.
You know what them here?
No, sir. You know what?
Where are you with them? Are you run mosquito?
Just show them.
Boy, hold on, me get that bucket here. Whew. Oh, well, you pass something that, you know.
Man.
And when you put it,
Everything in there, man.
Man. Me say, me have to put them in the fire. Me have to rain fall. The jacket have no fire. I mean, I know how what happen, you know. So me have to put them in the fire, make them start to dry, you know what I mean?
yeah.
But if you, I like how you see rain fall last night. If me never had them in all this my music, no tea, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, man.
So?
Yeah, holla.
This is smoke. Mas Nevie, where the broom there? Where the other broom?
In this one.
Oh. If you try out.
Don't make it catch
What we have to take close them, sir?
The what, Mas Nevie?
We close them. We hang up on the place there.
Hold on.
Me have to go check it now.
Wait, Mas Nevie, don't move.
I want.
Me
Some have to take down and close them.
We hang up in there and I put church close them, you know. We hang up before me never hand away put them.
Okay.
So we can go check
If
them
you
now.
come down, you will get that hammer for use, Marcel.
Everything I move.
Mas Nevie, pata bubble.
Put too much water in the rice, we're done.
Yeah.
I feel this.
Like when my rice. Could I put one of mackerel in there?
Eh?
Could I put one of mackerel in there?
You want one in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yeah, butter in there?
Me have butter, but me not have it in there.
Oh, you have butter, but you not put none in there.
Yet.
We carry mackerel straight, so we just take one outside out, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Come on, go
The back way cooking this butter going after the rice gone in.
Just one.
Oh,
Alright. If I really did that too much,
boy, smoking no man. Woo! I'm gonna go with them here.
Yeah, I'm on the road here, so.
Oh boy. One flashing and I pot, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, are just 2 pieces in there? What kind of something this?
What?
Highway robbery. One more must in there myself.
I don't put the fight in, ma'am.
I just, I can't just 2 pieces in a one thing.
Yes, ma'am. All the time, yeah.
You put salt in that pot?
Yes, sir.
I cannot believe it.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally it's like 3.
No, 2.
And normally 2?
Yes, ma'am.
One. Well. You can drop mackerel big.
No want to burn up, you know.
You don't need no more fire.
This amount, every cost me out. Come burn up your rice.
No, sir. I don't have to bring it to the city. What me lose, me get it back for you.
Say, why losing, we get it back for you. Of course.
Nobody ever go over about me. No.
Marcel, look if you see broom for me when it.
I don't be a broom.
Ooh, you can't come in now, Marcel. You have to hold on.
Me want I close them. Me don't want to close them, you know. You close them, you have to be careful of them.
You want to take down and close them. You want to take down and close them.
Yeah, for
when you see them hang up.
church close them. Me want to contact them, man. Me contact them down.
Right.
I put them on the bed.
Alright.
What the person you want to hide from we? Come.
What me behind?
What you know if you're going? Well, listen, Marcel.
No, behind, man. Me don't want to close them.
The mirror if you move.
Me don't want to close them.
Ah, gee. Marcel. Oh, I'm going to put this now.
Remember,
in I way.
and the tick.
The road black off, you have to wait.
And the tick, you know.
The stick alright, you want it?
No, sir.
Go on, Nevie, go on.
Yeah. You want me to close them?
Yes, I know.
You finished now, Evan? Oh boy, the my business.
Blind name is Nevie.
Yes, sir.
You want a piece of zinc?
Make it next captain, but I clear up first. Broom, same time. Yeah.
See, boom, yeah.
Side.
Yes, sir.
Alright. How shall we go there now? I'll clear that side of the sweet pot.
Give me a broom.
Then maybe carry them out. Come put them.
Give me a broom, Evan.
You understand? Check it. You know how to cut this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me start.
So we have to organize. Take out them and put out a door first. Yes,
So we're going to deal with the pot business here first. Man, I'm not knock off my Nevie pot.
you know about so you know about time and the table, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You continue. No more. You can't get couple. You can't get couple of sheep, but you couldn't get all of them, man.
What was Nevie say we're going to do with them?
I go build up one.
You going to build up?
A full cube or so.
Oh, you build one full cube. Oh.
You can manage your mind for.
No more, man.
Chicken.
I'm going to feed me want.
When
If I feed you want, you can manage.
And the water.
You have to have everything.
Me that I'm not buying up. Me get two ones. Make you.
Like you put some cow head for Christmas, you know. You just done something.
Me must have October, you know.
Oh, yeah, check.
After the storm, before the storm.
Yeah, before it's time.
Yes, man.
Back sick, yes.
You see kids in there off your head?
But I want to go back here to do for her.
Yeah.
You ready for sweep out now? Put sand over there too, you know.
Glad to see you, Master.
Yeah, we're glad to see you. Come out before that
Must Nevie one more shirt over there, so.
Over there, so.
Marcel, just one shirt there.
Huh?
One shirt.
Oh, you know in my way.
Oh, if you know, all right then.
The mask every way, you know. I want it all. There go the bucket.
Take out.
Come on, I hold down.
No, me no children at this. That would be. Oh, it's so happy.
Mas Nevie, go back, go sit down on the drum.
Yes, ma'am.
Want something there, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
One bucket, one cover with the water. Let me come move it for you. Well, Andy. Let me go put it. Alright, let me put it up here so. Alright, you can go on back now.
Yes, ma'am. Alright.
A different time of this one, where big one there?
So, Master, you said this is rice for now. If you cook and put up for later?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, bro.
But you never have no gas, you know?
Yeah, cook early.
Yes, I said I make one thing, I'm not like it.
Oh, okay. Well, wet it even, we get some water, pure dust.
I find out you
Wet up Mass Nevie fire.
Yes, I'm not going to watch it again.
But if you not cook it,
Oh.
you don't follow Marcel. Hold on even, hold on. Ooh.
Sir?
find your tobacco in sir.
Tobacco?
Yeah.
No tobacco no in the bread.
They are born tobacco.
No, sir. No tobacco no in the bread.
Oh, mango leaf in it, Mass Nevie. Oh, it look like soursop leaf.
Soursop leaf. You know me I look it. You know me I look it. It's good for pressure, you know.
Yeah.
You know me I look it, man.
Let me check your pot if you're ready. Why? Well, soursop leaf. This rice is burning now, master. Ooh. What's if you make a take coffee?
Yes, man. Take coffee now. Where you go put it on the stove?
I guess, yeah.
Yes, man. Now, you go cook again.
You're alright for this evening, for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Want something to take off the pot? Eh?
Ready?
Yeah. To put up others. No, Mas Nevie.
Yeah?
Even if you can't start eating
What
up.
do you mean?
Why? You say what you mean, so I guess you can help yourself.
I'm a drink here.
Question that.
I'm a drink here already.
Question. I say yes.
Why?
No scared?
No, sir, it's no sugar.
Demolish Mas Nevie building.
You do me a pack up. Pack.
Wash up it.
Remember, you have to take down this light.
I'm going to kill it. Chop off, let's chop it out. Can't screw.
Where's the other?
It drip. Mas Nevie, fire can't out no man, the smoke.
Yes, man.
Screwdriver still.
What if you throw, huh?
Look it, ma'am.
Eh?
Just take out the ticket and throw them out the door.
Why? Oh. Whee. Oh boy. Woo. Alright guys, so we're pulling down Mas Nevie whole structure. That's the structure that we had put up for him to use temporarily. So we're removing it today. So we had to pause for a little while to do a bit of sweeping and all of that. And movement of some things. This side.
Alright, watch me.
Why?
Yeah, so it's that. No, that's a room, should I be? Bathroom,
Stay back, huh?
No, still I got there, son. That's the same kitchen. I got it.
And the bathroom one also.
One part, my son.
What's your dream now? I'll show thing there. Where this? How name? And then I believe people down this.
The kitchen big, you know?
And then I believe back up here, no? That's all I did. Veranda and where?
Oh.
The room that come here.
So we can switch, we can switch. So turn the veranda. So you have one long veranda go so.
Oh.
That's it, but I can't turn it. Can't turn it in the kitchen. Watch them.
Whoa. Alright, so we have to go sweep over this side.
Yeah, we have to go in up here.
To get the space. Alright guys, so we're going to pause once more so we can clear up this side so we can continue the work. Oops, hold this myself please.
Yeah.
Master, if your gas come now. No, stop asking about the gas.
And if I bag of money this
Master, if you have a bag of money under your mattress.
I mean ID them, you know.
Oh,
Copy ID. I go to say, I just look at it.
you're under there.
Yeah.
And that's our 30?
30.
How much we 30?
47.
Oh. Alright. How much? So why total of it?
47 and 850.
Oh, okay.
I take that skin. I think I did 25, you know. I think I did 30.
Just have to keep it till the next time we finish. We return here, get back 125. 47?
Yeah, 850.
50. Not a 550. Alright. Alright. Alright, Master Nevie.
Everything I did 30, Asha.
Alright.
Finally, gas come.
Oh, man.
Say dash your food and cook on the stove now. You have to have license to buy different.
Hold on, Master Nevie. Alright guys, so the roof came down. Yes, so
A rope, take it down.
Yeah.
it's a roof up here.
Yeah. Take it down.
Yeah. The space look bigger now.
Yeah, man, it's bigger. No.
Can't go on like that.
Huh? Then they want to finish it, but we tell them it's our project, so then that.
Look at that.
And Neil touch me, you know. But me tough. Big space, big space. Use it, Jimmy.
That nail bend, that's why.
Really, that's strong.
No, and if you been I back man. Hold on, man. Put it back, let me take coffee. We tell you how long for use it, and you wait till when me come with the yacht. Yeah, not that. Yeah? How will I deal with?
A race.
I use a piece of two bit yeah?
I use it. I don't know it. Maybe it's not a must.
Well, it's rough. Yeah. But you pack them up like you carry them with some. Yeah. Clear the ants.
Yeah.
Man.
Giant baby. We are demolitions, man. Demolition men. Oh, steer down quicker than he put up. No manual if you pull it down.
Never seen anything.
What, lizard?
Yeah, tell them to get out.
Take it away. Yeah, so
How did I say? You can't be in church.
What church?
church, you there, son?
Come to Nevie, come to church.
That church, you can't kill. That we know about.
Used to be a church?
See the pants, brother.
Oh, okay.
And I go.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then.
There's some money in there.
it.
Nevie sucks on everybody. What is? Oh. Of your dust. Hi. Let's stop it again.
That's yours. Here's so.
What kind of board they use right now, say? The cement board?
Yeah, man, but.
I like it.
Yeah, I really.
Then they're soft, don't you?
I'm gonna put that paint on it. It's soft on it, like how we lean pan without brace.
Why they buy it? They're not more expensive than this.
Long time ago, you one.
Maybe them buy it so they can flash it with a mortar or something. Nevie have one wide.
Yeah?
Mass Nevie. Space wide.
Yeah.
Alright.
You guys will have 16 minutes leave on the camera, the battery.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's like a ceiling.
Yeah.
That's how I go there.
Yeah.
You have to get that and stuff like that. Let me see.
Remember, we have some too. See them there?
So you want
We see
3
the
cross here,
difference.
so 1, 2, 3.
Every two top.
So you want 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 long here, so?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you got that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 bullet boxes. And then then check this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So you not want the end one, no, so 2.4. Yeah, you use it as one?
Yeah, man.
You finished pick up the nails?
No.
I see no more.
I can still put that. Yes. So much out there. 1,
What, 6?
2, 3, 4, 5. That's alright.
5.
So you want 3 more?
So you want 8.
No, I wasn't 3. 8 and 5.
Not 12. Not 12.
Yeah.
You're not buying. Can I get 12?
12 length? So 12 length, I want the 3, 16.
Yeah, man.
Or 12. 12 length at 12.
12.
1 with 3, 12. I want 12 lengths.
Okay.
Alright. If you're thirsty, you can drink one of my Nevie water, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Spare tape.
Yeah, I can give you one.
Another the tape, Mass Nevie, a measuring tape. You must
I have one can give you, but it don't have me yard.
Alright. We shall I the doorway starts first, the room starts first and come in here. So I put it
Another one, yeah.
they want this is the one I jam.
If you even put your body side, this could be jam. Put it on the side, no? Or you want? No, or put him out to the front.
Put more to the front. Yeah.
Can you have a little closet there, so?
And then bathroom.
In the bathroom. So let's cut that into and give one little bathroom and one little closet.
Yeah, man.
You want the bathroom for big, madam?
No, I'm not big. I'm a little man.
You want? And now you want?
Back in everything in that one. You know see what going to take place?
What happened now?
You see what going to take place? Yes, no? You're nice. Now we're talking to Nevie, you're nice. We are go. The car 6 years. I'll put it in the kitchen. And the bathroom.
And the same thing that I say put the kitchen and the bathroom on back.
So I put the kitchen over there and the bathroom.
And then you have a
So
free.
you have to seal up the kitchen in the bathroom front. You seal up the kitchen.
We change the plan midway.
When you can pull it down in the kitchen.
I want to make you change the plan.
Alright, which part of the room I go start from? Right where-
I room this door right round the center shape.
So room and veranda.
In bed this one. We not pull out part this one.
So room and veranda.
So you have a veranda and
the room can the run where bed run the sun.
have both man. Around the
Anyway you want. If you want to go on football, you can kick in at Thomas Nevie.
You can jump on the table. I'm sure the place is big enough when you put the bed anyway.
Yeah.
The bathroom and the kitchen can. So you can put all the kitchen in there. You got this
One window did there?
A small window there.
bathroom.
Bathroom window.
You know one more than 4 feet, you know? People 3 kitchen. Him's 5 feet.
What you want?
Well, the shower can come in. But
Oh, remember, so we have a urinal.
watch this.
We have one little chimney where you put. Yeah, morning. We have one little chimney. They call it urinal. A urinal, you know. But a chimney you put on the wall. You know it? You want it?
That I know with pee-pee, no?
Then you know do more of that, more than the other one.
What?
You know do more of that, more than the other one.
Pee-pee? No, sir. The other one is beer, okay, that could be a bath.
So you pee in the bath.
You know, if you put in nothing, you just run one rubber. Take over it.
I put one little shower curtain there.
Put one shower curtain.
So we are going to do it.
So when you put this on, you just flash to make the water can come back. So you just put up. Nice, him up, you know?
Man, nice man. Watch him. Nice already.
But I'm a Nevie.
Anyway, this one can take around this being because they put up sitting and hang up clothes. And the big jacket then we go to church.
Great, so we want to have to say
Melissa gone with the jacket them.
So you still have to get more window.
I want 2 more windows.
You better have
One veranda window and the one for the kitchen.
We don't want on this so if you then come peep in for Mass Nevie on the bed. Where you stay? Which part you want the room, Mass Nevie?
Anywhere you want to put it on the
I put it on the roof. Put the bed up there.
anywhere you want.
You get moonlight at night time.
You put side back window on. You don't have to put none of this.
The breeze come from that. We don't know yet.
If I put in bed, I put out in the way.
You put one window around there.
Then bed so.
Yes, we need it.
In Jalo or Road.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And we might look for you.
Room and hard, you get in, man. So you see how the hard that's on your room. Put the bed around the sun. Hey! Yeah, bit.
Yes, I have to be here.
Yeah, man. Just put a table here, so. And your kitchen there, so.
And that means I look for you.
Yeah, man. I have bathroom there so.
That means I look for water.
Yeah, get on.
Hello, tell get. You are hello, to you. Hello.
Alright.
Yeah.
Now, I need now put it outside. Let me 3 feet.
You don't want to learn this, you know?
So I say I treat it even that way.
C'est pas le temps de nous avoir des roues.
No, right where you're there.
You know.
Okay.
Ya semua. Bueno, ya semua.
Yang jadi rumah dia yang
Yeah, go down watch. Watch now. I'm scared of it. That's my only stuff for me.
Jesus bless you.
Stop it. Calm down.
Put it on there.
As if say I forgot get some children, the place too big.
I may tell us I can raise the fall in our part of it.
Some children.
Square.
Are they lot them they put on.
Off the passing line. Good man. Inches.
Yes.
Yeah, I must have a dinner.
3 36 inches 3 feet.
apa misalnya yang baju awak masuk daras kamu minta babang daram baju no problem ini buka awak so 10-15 years ago masuk kinabang banyak
Then if you na bunny how we cook. You have to bunny if you cook. Acha. Where put the drill? What there?
Go on.
because you took me already
Tell them out there, man. I'll get a joke. I want jigsaw. What should I use?
You know, we want to cut this up.
Well, if a jigsaw.
I'll see you next time.
I said I saw you.
Cut already, but you know, they're not cut good. Cut already, but not cut good. So,
Where if you cut?
35, then we cut. So there should be anything that I go tuck in.
Alright, but you know, don't cut.
So
you still can't try one inch over there, sir.
take it from over here, so.
1 inch. Yeah, we're watching now. It gone bad already, not sure. So just take it 35 and mark it this one.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so that's 35 this one.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, you not mark it better then.
take off 1 inch off of this one, so.
Yeah. What, half did I already half did you take?
Huh?
I said half did I half did you take? You put still.
Elephant man, I have to cut your son.
I cut it from outside.
I want some children's mass Nevie.
They ramp up. Ramp.
But they're rump.
Alright. Oh, you can go through. Yeah, no problem. Huh? And about this I just anyway.
Cut from this so. And then you could do it from outside like you
No
said.
man. Inside the blade.
Okay.
Just chop it anyway you get it. Just follow this.
Can't see it.
You need one block. You reach now.
Alright, let me cut this.
The tray blade that touch the board. You have to ease out it.
Alright.
That look like it now.
You have to come with the saw, the hand saw.
Or if you cut that side.
Up and down can't cut in but across
I'm
you.
outside, no cutting.
Oh. Alright. Bottom now. Reverse.
Oh, you want a little bit more cutting at the bottom. Oh, okay. Whoa, breeze, Mass Nevie. Carry come.
Yeah, so where I get Nevie? It's alone I get.
We need it same way.
Still, man. Pause this stop.
Nice.
Go light in. Not even sit. And great grandfather they have that. And that bed they have it. Where they have it. And that bed are in a butchie. Oh. Man got dig out in great grandfather saw carry come. That not even can rub but I want you to use it. Cut beef bone. Most beef bone you used to cut it. You look like you're fine if you chew, man. You look like a fine if you chew. You know, so when they have a butcher style, they have one saw.
Yeah.
You use to cut the beef bun.
You can look outside now.
Yes, Master Nevie. If you don't want to use the door, you walk to your window.
Yes,
Your window in, Master Nevie.
You want brush? You want brush? You come down from the window.
That's how I'm brushing it.
Okay, neat. That's all. It's a nearly. Right, this now. One. I'm going to kill your pine. I'll find you every long there.
That's Nevie gonna sit on one side pan black. Yeah. You go peel it now? Yeah. Thank you.
Missing a triple party. That's the meaning. Too much question, man. Yeah, dear. It's not this.
Alright guys, so we pulled down Master Nevie makeshift house, and so we have everything out here. So his neighbor Roop. Remember Roop who saved Master Nevie in this time, right Master Nevie? Yes, so I'm gonna pack up the wood them to the back so Master Nevie can have a clear path. We have a lot of things that we need to move on the ground.
Yeah.
So we're not sure if we're gonna finish it today. It don't look that way, but we at least gonna clear the space so Master Nevie can walk freely. And now we'll do the installation of the door right here. Wait, oh, give me. All right, here. I don't want to look better, rope.
Nevie, you want some children now?
Yes.
Yeah, you go do with them, Master Nevie.
Put them in the house around. Roll up and down.
Don't up and down.
Roll up and down.
Oh, sir. As if you say, I put them on my house, run up and down.
You're late, Master. I should get them long time. Get it up first, son. Get it all this first and then you carry it back out. Carrying it. Yeah, get on the side. Get on the pressure first.
Master Nevie, you ever hear them say I see it kill Mr. Thomas post? I made you drop off of the block there. Oh, I'm going around and stuff.
We should put the flyer night on your rope.
The flyer.
Marcel, I see a Master Nevie sit down upon that there's something there, look there.
Same all of cock up, man. That's cock up.
They can't do. Come with the door.
The door there now. Oh, the door not in there? Oh, outside.
Hold the door, man. You can't manage it. You want to help me carry? Huh?
Carry.
That's how it's up.
You take a use it, you have a use. Yeah, man. Aye.
How much part?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, it's in time. So put this on. Okay, too much. Yeah, put it on. One chicken.
Like what, one block?
That total.
Oh.
Now we run back down here and say you take over.
Why?
Give me a piece of salad.
thing I do.
What?
Right this way. Right this way. Yeah. Some screw this up.
You let me in. You want to look at how you
Marcel.
When the door gets find the ugly,
Yeah.
ugly on the door, man.
Plastic.
Because sometimes it rotten on it.
Not
So.
make it door ugly like the plastic.
You go farm when you leave here?
Before, and I can never come here.
Oh boy.
How you do that, even? How you do it? No man, how you feed the animal?
Oh, back feet and make sure I see them.
So how you actually how you do it?
So you feed them?
How you feed them?
No, that's not corner.
You put in a plate and use one spoon and fork.
I want to go try them and eat up.
So how you feed them and them feed themselves.
Oh, that
You
makes
feed them and them feed themselves.
sense.
How you feed animals?
That's it.
What's the reason?
I get my bike.
What you say?
I can't say what how was that nice meat?
Rabbit? I say I love rabbit meat.
Alright everyone, just want to say thanks to everyone who has continued to support the work that we do, who has continued to donate. We thank you so much for everything. And Marcel, watch it. Oh, you have it. Alright.
Don't see it.
Okay, so the aim here today was to pull down the makeshift house that Mas Nevie had, the one that we made for him, like immediately after the hurricane, which we did. So we're able to do that today. We're able to install one of the windows, and we are now installing the door. There is still a lot here to do, like the entire surrounding needs to be cleaned up and so on. So we will have to come back, of course. This is where we end the video, but we will not be leaving just yet. Right, Martha? But our battery is dying. So the camera battery died. Now we're using our phone. The phone battery is dying. So once again, thanks so much, everyone. Thank you, anonymous donor, for the groceries for Mas Nevie. And Mas Nevie, we're ending the video. Say bye. Hold on, let me come out here. You can't talk now.
Thank you very much, Mama. Goodbye and God bless you.
Yes.
Glad you remember me at that time.
Yes.
I was considerate still. So, God bless you. I hope you might tell I remember me. But I put God in the mid between, you know.
Yes,
I know
yes.
that you remember me. So, take care till we meet again and God bless you. Continue.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. All right. So until next time, we thank you very much. Want to say thanks to Roop Roop who dropped in today. Thanks to Even.
Yeah.
And bless up Marcel. All right. So,
Big up.
yes, man. So until next time, thank you so much, everyone, for making it. Likkle, everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.